Okay, so the number one issue that we're going to talk about to fix first is the power supply. A couple different versions of a power supply. As I mentioned earlier, this power supply here comes directly out from the wall. This one is a little bit unique in that this one has what we call a 9-volt backup. So on this one, you could buy a 9-volt battery backup here, put some 9-volt batteries in it. What this does, that in the event of a power outage, if you're in the recline position, it will give you enough power to at least take your recliner and put it into the down position so that you can get out of the recliner. So this power supply is what we call a power supply with a 9-volt battery backup. Okay, so like I said, this is the 9-volt battery backup. The other traditional one is just a standard power supply. We sell them on our site. You can get those real easy. That just is going to go in here, no battery backup, just going to plug into the wall. Simple, easy way to do it. As you can see, there's quite a bit of cord here, so it does give you quite a bit of room to plug this in. The other battery option that you have is what we call a wireless battery pack. We've made a whole nother video for that. Again, the wireless battery pack is just going to come in right here, and you're just going to take that wireless battery pack, it'll plug into here, and then you can stick this right underneath the couch. So if you're floating your couch in the middle of the room, that will work easy. But anyway, so 3 different types of battery packs. We sell them all. If you have any questions, let us know. We can help you with that. So that's the first one.